What's up, everybody? It's Nick from Whodat Travel. Now, I am really excited. We are actually in San Diego, and we have decided that we are going to go to one of my YouTube favorites, Sam the Cooking Guy's Not Tacos. Let's see how we like this. Okay, so this place is really cool. Let me show you around a little bit. There is actually a bunch of different places in here. Not Tacos. Sam Burgers is over there, and it's actually really fun. So we're gonna see what we want at at Not Tacos, and we'll show you what we have and how we like this. Now, this is going to be a non-eating review. I'll eat them and then tell you how I like them. So we made it when there is no cashier, so you're just using our QR code, and we will go ahead and order. And I don't have internet in here, so that might be an issue. Okay, so we ordered, and I have gotten our text message that says, well, our food is ready. So I'm gonna go pick it up, and really excited about this. We actually got the Sam's Choice, which is almost every one of their tacos. So we'll talk about it here and show you what these tacos look like. So here are our tacos, and we'll talk about those, but here is the Not Tacos. Well, because it's not tacos, I'm really excited. So we've got a mac and cheese, a short rib, a shrimp, we've got a hamburger or a cheeseburger, Nashville, we've got potato, and we've got chicken parm, and also tots. So we'll tell you how all of them are. We'll do these in groups of two. First one I had was Kelly's shrimp tacos. Really good, actually. The shrimp was well done, not fishy at all. And the sauce on it had a really nice kick to it. Kind of unexpected there. The second one was the eggplant parm, and I actually misspoke and said chicken parm. When I bit into it, I was a little bit surprised with the eggplant. Eggplant's a little chewy, but the parm sauce, or the red sauce on it, was real good. It has a nice flavor, but it is weird being a taco. I'll admit that fully. But on to the next two. Next we have the mashed potato. It's interesting. Mashed potatoes with crumpled potato chips on top. It was really weird being in a taco. It was good. The wife hasn't really liked the sauces. I personally do. I'm a sauce guy. She is not a sauce person. So that and the tacos themselves are a flour that they're a homemade tortilla that aren't cooked completely through. They're not a fluffy one. I like them, but she's kind of not so much. The next one I also tried was the hamburger or the cheeseburger one. Again, I like the mixture of the short rib and that in the burrito itself or taco. It is odd that you're eating a hamburger and it tastes like a hamburger, everything else, but it's in taco form. So moving on, we'll tell you on the next ones. Moving on through the tacos, the next two I have tried, wipe my mouth here, was the Nashville hot chicken, which was good. Not real flavorful, actually. I was kind of disappointed. Wasn't real hot. It was a little greasy because obviously with Nashville hot chicken, you've got the oil that actually is the hot chicken portion of that. Overall, that has been the most kind of normal one, minus the shrimp one. And then the next one that we did was the macaroni, which actually had, I didn't realize, but it was pulled pork underneath. That has been the biggest fail for me so far. The macaroni was not creamy. It just kind of tasted like there was hot sauce on it. And then the pork was actually really kind of dry. I was extremely disappointed in that one. And I've got two things left, which are going to be the tots and also the short rib. So we'll let you know for you right now. Yeah, I'm still chewing. Sam, that short rib one, I'm sorry, that's terrible. The short rib itself, a little dry. The sauce in the slaw, let's put it this way. I didn't finish it. It was bad. That really hurts me to say. I enjoy his cooking show. I enjoy a lot of the stuff that he makes, and I've made a lot of stuff that he has made. As for the tots, I did enjoy those. Those are good. By now they're a little cold. That's not their fault, that's mine. I decided to eat them last, and I did kind of munch on them here and there. I just didn't give a review. The sauce is okay on it. It's not anything to write home to mom about by any means. I mean, I'll tell my mom about it, and she'll probably watch the video. But overall, I won't say that it was worth the trip. Coming from the Midwest out here, it is fun. I was excited to do it, but overall, I don't know. It wasn't the experience that I was absolutely hoping for. It was fun to say that I had it, but would I make this a destination again? No, I probably wouldn't. Am I still going to try the Sandburger? Well, yeah, I'll still try that at some point, I hope. But overall, this was a miss for me, and it really pains me to say that. But hey, I think we're gonna walk around Little Italy. Honestly, the atmosphere around here, definitely worth to come down here. It is absolutely beautiful, and I'll be showing you some footage of around here, but it is great to do. We're gonna enjoy the rest of our drinks that we got just around the corner, and then head on and see some more stuff around San Diego. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. Smash that like button if that's what you're into. And of course, hit the subscribe button and then the bell to be notified when I release new content. That being said, we'll see you real soon, everybody. Thanks. Bye-bye.